Welcome viewers. In today's mathematics class, we'll have an Olympiad maths where it is given that if 3 raised to the power m minus 2 raised to the power m is equal to 65, then what should be the value of m? Watch to the end. Let us solve it together. So, I have solution to the question which is given to me as 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m equal to 65. You see, 3 raised to the power m can also be written as 3 raised to the power m all over 2 all raised to the power 2. The reason is because these two can cancel these two, leaving me with still the same 3 raised to the power m. Therefore, I am going to use this version to replace 3 raised to the power m. I will also do the same thing to 2 raised to the power m. I will write it as 2 raised to the power m all over 2 all to the power of 2. Okay? So that when 2 cancel out 2, it will leave me with 2 raised to the power m. Exactly the same thing. Alright. Therefore, from here I write 3 raised to the power m divided by 2 all raised to the power 2, then minus 2 raised to the power m all over 2 all raised to the power 2 is equal to 65. Like I said, that 2 all over m multiplied by 2 is the same thing as just m. Okay? Therefore, 2 raised to the power m is now written as 2 raised to the power m over 2 multiplied by 2. Good. Alright. Let's look at it this way. Let a be equal to 3 raised to the power m all over 2 inside the bracket, and also b be equal to 2 raised to the power m all over 2 as it is contained in the bracket. That means I can now replace into the bracket as a, then raised to the power 2 minus into the bracket I have 2 raised to the power m all over 2, which is now b represented, then raised to the power 2. It is equal to 65. You know, mathematics is life. Okay, moving forward, if you look from the left hand side, you see that this is called the difference of two squares, which means a raised to the power 2 minus b raised to the power 2 can be written as a plus b into a minus b. It's the same. Therefore, I can now replace, since it's the same, a raised to the power 2 minus b raised to the power 2 in this form. Therefore, I have it as a plus b multiplying a minus b. Everything is still equal to 65. Very correct. At this point, since I have from the left hand side the two brackets multiplying, I need to put this 65 as a product as well. That means I can write it a plus b into a minus b equal to 13 multiplied by 5. You know, a plus b should be bigger than a minus b. Okay? That is why I have to write the first product as bigger than the second one. That is 13 multiplied by 5 instead of writing it as 5 multiplied by 13, because I want to make it equivalent. What I mean by that is that I can write a plus b now is equal to the first product, which is 13, equation 1. And from the second bracket, I have a minus b is equal to the second value, which is 5, equation 2. Very correct. What does it mean? You see, 13 times 5 is 65, okay? And if I multiply this bracket by this, it will still give me exactly a square minus b square. Alright, the first corresponds to the first by the right, and the second bracket from the left corresponds to the product, the value, by the right hand side. Now, I have now two equations. I can now solve it by simultaneous equation. And what it means is that I can now add equation 1 and equation 2. And what it means that a plus a will give me 2a. Plus b minus b will give me 0. Alright? And the 13 plus 5 will give me 18. At this point, I have 2a is equal to 18, making a equal to 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 9. I have gotten the value of a. Okay, from equation 1, okay, which is given to me as a plus 13 equal to 13. Sorry, a plus b equal to 13. Where there is a, I will replace it with 9. So I have 9 plus b is equal to 13, meaning that b will now be equal to 13 minus 9. So the value of b can now be equal to 4. 4, correct? Okay, good. That is 13 minus 9. Okay, on moving forward, you can now agree with me that I have gotten the values of a and b. I will go and replace it into the place where I said let a be equal to 3 raised to the power m all over 2. Therefore, recall that we wrote here a is equal to 3 raised to the power m all over 2. Now, a is gotten to be 9. I write 9 is equal to 3 raised to the power m over 2. Let us write this 9 in base 3, which is 3 raised to the power 2 is same as 9 equal to 3 raised to the power m over 2. So the bases cancel out. I have m over 2 now is equal to 2. Okay, by cross multiplication, the value of m is 4. I have gotten the value of m. Or I can say, where we said b is equal to 2 raised to the power m all over 2. Also, b is equal to 2 raised to the power m all over 2. But b is gotten here to be 4. Right, 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power m all over 2. Okay, meaning that 4 can be written in base 2, which is 2 raised to the power 2, equal to 2 raised to the power m all over 2. Cancelling out the bases will give me m over 2 is equal to 2, and by cross multiplication, the value of m is still 4. M is 4 here, m is 4 here, authenticating that the value of m is actually equal to 4. A quick one, let us find out from the original question that is checking the result if the m is correct. Check result. Okay, I am given 3 raised to the power m minus 2 raised to the power m equal to 65. I want to verify if it is correct. So 3 raised to the power m is 4, 3 raised to the power 4 minus 2 raised to the power 4. Will this be equal to 65? That is what I want to find out. If the left hand side will be equal to what is given to us by the right hand side. To authenticate the answer that we have gotten. 3 raised to the power m 4 is 81 and 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. Will this be equal to 65? Yes. 81 minus 16 is exactly 65, equal to 65. Very correct. Therefore, the value of m is equal to 4. Thank you, dear friends and viewers, for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video. God bless you.